Aha! Ice Cube, come on down. You can be my ally.
Thanks for making me. Pencil and Mummy into her ally.
Then I choose Pencil.
Later.
Okay, teams are settled then. Now, teams, choose your team name. Come on, just choose.
Smoking hot party.
Okay, then, I'll choose. Pin's team, you'll be called the Squishy Cherries.
Oh, come on.
And Leafy's team, you are the Squashy Grapes. The first contest is to build a boat, get in it, and row it across the Boyki Canal. If you are the first to cross the line, your team wins. The other team loses, and one of their members gets kicked out of the game.
Be more careful.
Ouch!
Pew, 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 pew.
Pretty boxy, but okay. Yeah.
I'm waiting for that yacht.
Yeah. Let's get in. Motor.
Still waiting.
So going to win.
Well, your yacht is drifting away. I'm not gonna jump onto it.
I feel bad.
Well, oh well. I'm starting the motor.
Wow.
Don't keep me underwater for 30 seconds.
Ouch!
Huh?
Yeah, stay there. We need a plug. Huh?
Icy and Leafy, hate to break it to you, but we just passed right by the finish line.
Look out! A tree!
What?
Oh, this is just great. There's too much weight on this sinking boat. We have to throw someone overboard.
Huh? Guys, the finish is just 20 or so yards away. We can swim there. But I can't swim.
Come on, Match. Come swim with us.
I can't. I have no energy left. Hey, I hear voices. Hey, it's Tezball, Snowball, Needle, and Rocky and Teardrop. All floating on Spongy.
People, the other team is also getting close. Pin, slow down. Whoa.
Whoa. Oh.
And Pin's team, the Squishy Cherries, win. Which means one of the Squashy Grapes is going home. It's time for you viewers out there to decide. Here are the people on the Squashy Grapes team. Needle, Rocky, Teardrop, Leafy, Flower and Golf Ball, Queenie, Snowball, Ice Cube, and Tennis Ball. Who'll leave first on the BFDIO Olympics? I don't know, but it's up to you guys to decide.
Smaller cat equals less plastic. Plastic! Tall magazine! I am a banana. Yeah. Warning, cap is a small part and poses a joking hazard, particularly for children. Yeah.
We should get back now.